Hello children. Children, today I am going to give you a revision test of lesson number 3, that is safety matters. Before you write the test, children, make sure that you learn this lesson from the book as well as from the notebook properly, and then you write this test in the presence of your parents. So let's start with this test. This test is of 45 marks. Question number 1 is, which proverb indicates the importance of being careful? Which proverb indicates the importance of being careful? This question carries 4 marks. Second question is, what happens when one doesn't take enough precaution? What happens when one doesn't take enough precaution? This question is of 4 marks. Question number 3 is, write 2 safety rules to be followed at home. Write 2 safety rules to be followed at home. This is of 4 marks. Question number 4 is, write 2 safety rules to be followed on the road. Write 2 safety rules to be followed on the road. This question again carries 4 marks. Question number 5 is, name the 3 rules of crossing. Name the 3 rules of crossing. This is of 3 marks. Question number 6 is, what is the moral of the story, the town mouse and the village mouse? What is the moral of the story, the town mouse and the village mouse? This is of 3 marks. Question number 7 is, draw and color the traffic lights. Draw and color the traffic lights. This is of 6 marks. Question number 8 is, fill in the blanks. This question is of 14 marks. Number 1 is, prevention is better than dash. Prevention is better than dash. Number 2 is, we should avoid problems and dash. We should avoid problems and dash. Number 3 is, don't play near a dash. Don't play near a dash. Number 4 is, one should be dash to avoid problems and troubles. One should be dash to avoid problems and troubles. Number 5 is, use dash to cross the road. Use dash to cross the road. Number 6 is, don't dash on the road. Don't dash on the road. Number 7 is, walk on the dash. Walk on the dash. Number 8 is, the most important thing in life is dash. The most important thing in life is dash. Number 9 is, whenever we see the flashing signals, it means dash, dash and dash safely. Whenever we see the flashing signals, it means dash, dash and dash safely. Number 10 is, follow the 3 rules of crossing, dash, dash and dash. Follow the 3 rules of crossing, dash, dash and dash. Now question number 9 is, write true or false. Write true or false. This question is of 3 marks. Number 1 is, children should always play with fire. Children should always play with fire. Number 2 is, red signal indicates stop. Red signal indicates stop. Number 3 is, walk in the middle of the road. Walk in the middle of the road. So children, this was all there regarding this test. Thank you.